What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am. I am from the internet, and today we are checking out a GTX Titan X 2025. We're going to run this thing through its paces, see what it can handle as far as the audio games go, and then, yeah. Next up, let's run PassMark performance test. So ultimately, it's one of these. This is the Titan G4X GTX Titan X Maxwell. Next one, Pascal, and then the next one after that is basically XP. Below that, I got some, what do you call those, 106s, old mining units. I put them in there to run some world community grid. Try to solve some cancer issues. Identify the precursors and children and take away the chaos. But anyways, today we're checking out this. Also, women and cats in space. Cats in space. It's the most wonderful thing. There's a video of cats in space. I love AI. The benchmark is running, but while it's benchmarking, here's women and cats, and the benchmark is running. See, here it is. Also, I like Chaos Marines. Sonya Q got taken over by the Chaos. And he's one of them now. A dreadnought. Oh, girl, have you heard about the new Sonic? Yeah, he's so cute. Oh, look at those ships go 100 and 200 frames per second. Go, Johnny, go. All right, and here we have 69 frames per second. Yeah, it's handling it really nicely. But really, so this is a video card that I really like because it has a lot of power for almost nothing. It does take a lot of wattage, but if you're getting into AI, this one, the price point is just frickin' great. This Maxwell unit, absolutely. Alright, we got about 112 frames per second on runtime 11. I can't frickin' remember the name of it is right now. Oh, I feel so silly. I hate it when I can't remember names. DirectX 12. Okay, looking really good. Looking really good. So if you're into a budget system, yeah, this is what you want. This is a good system if you have an extra power supply. Or if your power supply is good enough. If it's not, you need an extra thingy. You need one of these thingies, and then you can use an extra power supply. You just need one of those thingies. So this is my cat, and this is a Titan. The Titans are freaking huge. The Titans are so huge, the cat is very inconvenienced by it. Do you see how inconvenienced? So inconvenienced. Oh, I'm sorry. I love you. That was really too much. Obligatory snacks, etc. Ghostbuster! Alright, back down to the action. We're going to try some Battlefield Simulator. Got some ancient Greek Spartan individuals fighting some chickens and a dinosaur because they're related somehow. The chickens and the dinosaurs, not the Spartans. And it crashed! But at least I can show you the 3D Mark score. Geez, that ain't so bad compared to some of the other offerings. The 36s are definitely more expensive. Also more pictures of whammons and cats. Don't mess with Dem's chickens! 25 frames per second. Yeah! 300 Spartans versus like 3,000 chickens. And a mother frickin' T-Rex, baby. Aw, yeah. Huh. No T-Rex. Those chickens going hard, though. I'm getting 24 frames a second. So, yeah. If you want to do stable diffusion and stuff like that, this is going to work out for you for the price. It's not going to be the best card in the universe for everything else, but hey, at least you'll be able to put the Spartans up against the chickens. Could you imagine being killed by 100 chickens if you're a Spartan? Would they even take you back? With your shielder on it, right? Right? Anyways. Have a good one, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this one. Let me know if you want to run some more tests.